How to use coupons on Shein. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. Today we're having a look at the online platform called Shein, and this is what the app actually looks like, and you can jump in. Now, before you can do anything else, you need to sign up. Now, if you have not signed up yet, right at the bottom there will be a Me tab, and you will be able to sign in from here. So if you are wanting to actually make purchases, you'd need to sign in, and you'd also have to fill in your billing information and your shipping information. So this is what the home page looks like over here. And now what we're going to do is we are going to use a coupon to make a purchase. So the first thing we want to do is go into the Me tab right over here, and right at the top on the left hand side you will actually see it says vouchers. Now, some apps will say vouchers, some apps will say coupons. It literally depends on what country you are in. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to tap on vouchers, and right over here you can see all of your unused vouchers and your expired vouchers. Now, going into your unused vouchers, you can see here that I have a $2.32 off, and it is specific for orders over $22.35. It also gives you a code right over there. It also tells you what day it was given. It gives you an expiry date, and it also tells you that it applies to all products. In some of the cases, you may have a coupon or a voucher that will only apply for certain items such as tech, or it will perhaps only be applicable to ladies' clothing or men's clothing, whatever the case may be. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back, and we're going to go back to our home page, and we can now have a look at a pair of denim over here. Of course, you need to apply this to whichever item you are purchasing. So we're going to choose this jacket right over here, and as you can see, now we can choose a color and a size variation. And once we've done this, we can then tap on add to cart. Now note, this item is $33.73, and this is above the amount that we need to spend to be able to redeem our coupon. Now, as you can see on the top over here, there is a cart button, and here is your item over here. Now what we can do is we can go to the bottom of the page, and you can see that there is a checkout. Once we tap on checkout, we are able to now confirm this order. So first of all, it's giving you a shipping method, and then it's also giving you a payment method. So what you need to do is you need to select a payment method, and once you've selected a payment method, you can now go down and you can see where it says apply voucher. There is one coupon that has been used, and it's this one over here. Now, if you'd like to deselect that, you can, just by tapping on the little tick on the right hand side. However, if you would like to use this specific coupon, you can use that. Now, the only reason that this is pre-selected is because it's the only coupon available. If there are more coupons, you'll be able to select the coupon that you would like to apply for this particular order. And now that it is applied, you can see here it says subtotal, shipping fee, shipping guarantee, and the discount, which is your coupon code. It gives you the actual code. It gives you the amount that it is discounting, and once you have done all of those details, you can then tap on the PayPal icon at the bottom of the page, and you can actually process your order, and it'll get shipped to your desired location. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave us a like, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now.